In this video, I'm going to make a salad smoothie so I can drink my salad instead of spending the time to munch on it, because I like to make really big salads and it takes time to, and it's faster to drink it up. I also weighed everything so you could get the exact measurements. I used 4 cloves of garlic, which turned out to be 20 grams. Actually, the salad ended up really spicy from the garlic and onions, so I recommend you only add 1 clove of garlic, which I guess would be 20 divided by 4 would be 5 grams. And then don't put onion at all because that gets really spicy, and if you're not used to eating a lot of raw onion and garlic, it can give you an upset. It can give you a stomach ache. You won't get you won't get an upset stomach, you will just be in pain. But if you are used to eating raw garlic and onion, then you'll be fine. So just take out the onion and only put 1 clove of garlic. The other veggies are fine. There's also 2 tomatoes, which was 201 grams. And then 2 carrots, which turned out to be 67 grams. They're smaller carrots this time. Sometimes the carrots end up bigger, but these were kind of smaller. And 4 sticks of celery, which turned out to be 134 grams. I cut it to make sure they all fit in the bowl because sometimes the weight is different when it's not in the center of the bowl. And for the greens, it turned out to be 186 grams of salad greens. It was just a random big bowl of them. I also put a quarter teaspoon of oregano. This is optional, but it has a nice flavor and I felt like oregano today. And half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, also optional, but I like black pepper. And then between a quarter and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I brought that spoon up close to see if you guys could see the tablespoon. Oh, there it is. It says tablespoon over there. And then also 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Any vinegar will do. I have actually used white vinegar in salads. White vinegar, red wine vinegar. Oh, red wine vinegar is a nice one. Red wine vinegar tastes really good. And pomegranate. I used all sorts of random vinegars. And also a 1/4 cup of water just to make sure everything blends smoothly, because sometimes when there's no water, things just don't blend well. And also so here's me squashing the greens. I actually lost the video of the blender blending everything. I recorded it and it didn't transfer. Something was wrong with the video. And so so you see how everything's piled on top? I actually have like a stick that goes inside to squash everything in, and that helped everything blend more smoothly. And here's the green smoothie. It's sweet with the vegetables and the vinegar, and if you do not put in the onion and only put 1 clove of garlic, it will be less spicy.